Hello viewer, today I will teach you how to make a professional thumbnail in 5 minutes easily. So let's go start the video on computer screen.
Now we have been reached on the computer screen. You need to first Photoshop. Photoshop is in software that you can easily any photo edit on the computer screen. First you're selecting shape of you creating the photo. First you size select 16 19 to selecting the size of your photo. It is the general size used for the making thumbnail. For a short 9 by 16 you select size only. We can now just make a long video, therefore I'm selecting 16 by 9, 16 width or 9 height until all the work done. But we can now select the background for photo. Control O press and simple open the file. The background black only we select. Background sharp sure, therefore we can do only simple overlay click. First we should do to select the control T to minimize and adjust the size of the photo. Our JPG show sharp, therefore we select the blur tool and gradient blur tool and adjust your folds as want you need size adjust. After completing all the work, we click on the bottom side to select a solid color. We need a blue. I like a blue color, but in the click next up point overlay click. You won't see my design is very completely designed. Now you drag your photo from your file explorer. Now press Ctrl 8 simple select for object. My select you can see easily. My select now I am trying to select object. You can see my select is completely selected. For select subject. Now we cut Ctrl X command use and paste to where we make a banner or flex or thumbnail. Paste. Bold and minimize your size in any shape and adjust your photo. I am adjust my photo in one side. One personal thing you have in the mind is very important. This always you drag in the one side use. Now we select the brush tool or erase tool. Erase tool is a blank border. Sure, we need to erase the blank border from the photo. Hold up, I am fastly this work. No, we need to just select my lips color that we can do easily select. But we are just no easily. You see, now we just select the background for photo. Control O press and open the file. I'm select green background. The selection tool open for simple press. Rectangular marquee tool select and the feather select. And now press Ctrl X cut your photo from the computer screen. You easily move to the next from the place. Now press Ctrl T and minimize size and adjust your size as you want. Replace to background object your size and your adjust layer up and down layer number 5 onto the layer number 3. Select sheet for the background. We find the sheet for the background in red color. Control A press, select your sheet and move to the next on the subject. Control T press and the simple bold up your size. You can see this work is very easy. Rotate the object. Social media status select. When you Control A press and simple key press erase background and next move on object. Minimize your size and bold up size. Control press and simple layer select which you use in the thumbnail. I am using the blue. Crop your photo and next erase tool use Control A and the shortcut of erase tool simple E press and erase your background and next move to the next layer. The main work simple write text on the layer.